Okay, there seems to be some difficulties in manipulation of string. So we will just solve that using some example. Alright, so I'm using the online compiler and I've set this to Python 3. Alright, so you can see over here. Right, so let me just explain what is going on over here so that you have a clearer idea. So declare a variable var name, which is my name, limjetwee. Then I want to print this. So print var name is var name. So this is quite straightforward. All right. Then what I have here is the comment. So I have three sections here. All right, so this is just a string. Okay, then the left, mid, and right section. Okay, let me just run this first to get the output. All right. Okay, let's see if I can see everything. Okay, so first of all, this is the var name. This is actually printed by the line 2. All right, but the string is actually characters, array of characters. All right, and we can basically manipulate array using the block bracket. And remember, in Python, the array actually start from the index 0. So if I say var name index 0 is actually the first location, that is why it prints L. Right, so if the first location is 0, then 1 will be the second location. So that is why I have the letter I. Then what happens if I do var name 10? So you just count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's actually the last E over here. So this E is actually the last E. Okay, so you can actually pull out any single letter in the string. All right. But after saying that, you can also manipulate string. Right, from the command, you can see a left, mid, and right. I'll explain that in a short moment. Okay, so var name 0 to 7. Right, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does not include 7. Okay, how do I show that? Okay, let's say I remove the 7 and I convert it to 6. Okay, let me shift this up a bit. All right, so 0 to 6 is actually 0, 1, all right, 2, 3, right, 4, 5, 6. So it starts from 0, okay, to 6. So 1, 2, 3. So you have the lim, right? Then the space is also considered. Then J and E. Right, so you are taking the left portion. Okay, you can also take the right portion, the last one. Right, you use a negative number. Okay, so in that case, we are looking at 5 from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why it starts with the T. Okay, but at the same time, if I can manipulate the left and the right, I should be able to manipulate somewhere in the middle. Okay, so let's say over here, okay, the location 2. Right, so remember 0, 1, 2, it starts with M, right? Okay, then 3 and 4, it will stop just before the 5. Okay, so hopefully this will give you a better idea of how string actually works, or technically string is actually an array of character, and you can actually manipulate it as a character as an array of character in Python.